Good day to you. It's Mike Addison here from Addsure, FSP 15269. The question is, how does one deal with the schedule of replacement value or getting the schedule ahead of the AGM? Okay, the reality is there's a rule, and the rule is very, very, very clear that the body corporate must prepare before every annual general meeting the schedules showing estimates of, etc. Okay, the body corporate shall prepare. That means that you need to prepare this document, or best, that you ask your broker to help you prepare this document based on the most recent valuation, and definitely do not photocopy just the latest schedule out of the policy document for a whole lot of reasons. That schedule from the policy document is merely the insurance company's endorsement of the schedule, in other words, reflecting the schedule that you did, hopefully last year, correctly. It also shows too much other information which is irrelevant. For example, we don't want people's names, policy numbers, and bits and bobs. It needs to be strictly prepared by the body corporate or with the help of the broker, a separate document from the policy document. Thank you.